In this video I will describe you Windows 11 Dev version, OS build 25193, and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11 25193 notified to restart computer. Restart computer. See Windows 11 25193 version installed in my computer. What is the new features of this version Windows? In this build included Newsbox subscription management and settings, changes to Narrator in settings, File Explorer feature removed, general fixes, Taskbar fixes, Start menu fixes, File Explorer fixes, Settings app fixes and many more.